choose a slot to use for this game. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Why not give it a go in the Feed Polly Parrot game? Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Help Peppa and George find Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 times you find Polly. Can you see your score? Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Try the garden. Try the garden. Where could she be? You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? Is she hiding in the lounge? Is she hiding in the lounge? You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Try the garden. Try the garden. Try again. Try the garden. You've found her. Polly, where are you? Try the bedroom. You've found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? Well done. You played very well.